caught 7 tonight. First guy strolling along here. Probably gonna end up somewhere near the thing over there. And I have another one. I have 2 more in here. There's a male. There's another male over there. See? And then over here, a male. And then the third one, is right up there. So 7.